Blessed afternoon from Destination Jamaica. Get those pop covers going. We have some great news. And Jamaica has gotten its first gold and also an Olympic record. It comes from the field events, and that's the discus throw. So Roja Stone, he breaks the Olympic discus throw record in round 4 with a throw of 70 meters, and he is coached by the triple jump Olympic champion Ryan Cruiser. So guys, good news. Jamaica has increased its medal count, broke an Olympic record, and get gold. Tell me now. Them can't hold we again. We told you to look to the field events. We told you a lot of history is being made in the field events and we should promote and pay attention. Congrats to Roja Stone for getting Jamaica its first goal. We're proud. Bad. Now, guys, we have so much more to share with you. We just had to share this quick update to let you know that Jamaica just climbing up the ladder. We have more good news coming your way as it relates to the hurdles, the and more. So let me get everything together and send a video your way. Big up to Roja Stone, breaking the Olympic discus throw in round 4 with a throw of 70.00 meter, and for breaking and for getting goal for Jamaica. But there, guys, I'm so like proud, screaming and happy. But today was a good day for Jamaica overall. We had some disappointment, but we have some really good news and some really good results as well. We can't wait to tell you more. Remember to share, subscribe, like, comment as usual. Talk pretty soon.